Hi, my name is Rollin Rachele. I've been a singer for over 40 years. I have sung many different styles, but my specialization is overtone singing. My degree is in Northern Indian classical vocal music, and I enjoy using my experience working with other creative people on interesting projects. My role in the Meeting in the Cave project is mainly singer-composer, although we all have multiple roles to some degree. For me, this project is an eclectic fusion of artistic modalities. It represents a surreal plane of existence that takes people on a journey away from the concrete and formulaic pathways of everyday life. Hey, I think some of the best tools we possess are our art and science, but maybe more importantly, our goodness to use these gifts for the improvement of the life experience for everyone. Without compassion, for example, it all means nothing. It's like a machine whose sole purpose is to oil itself. We're currently traveling down a number of delusional and dangerous roads that unnecessarily threaten the privilege our intelligent ancestors have afforded us. Today, like no other time before, I think we must be very global in our way of thinking. We have to respect, but critically appraise and re-examine all the traditions and customs we cling to and determine whether they are in the best interest of society. I think one role of art, anyway, is to help us question some of those roads to obsolescence and help us focus our vision on worthy activities and pursuits that make people feel respected and valued as worthy members of this shared reality. The cave, or the meeting in the cave, provides a forum or context for expressing something deeply rooted in ethereal and untouchable and untenable that we can't pinpoint, but we all feel is there. The development of art in this digital age, and of course even more so by the recent pandemic, has lost a collaborative element, which is a vital part of the theatrical experience, and certainly for me one of the most enriching bits. We're isolated in our efforts and no longer feed off of our contemporaries within the same space. It's become a more ego-driven and lonely exercise. I watch my kids creating music in a social void. Sure, they have resources we never dreamed possible, but what made music fun for me was working with other people, sitting together in the same room. For me, I don't separate music, movement, and art from spirituality. The arts and spirituality, and even the sciences, are entangled. Everything we do in some way is connected on multiple levels. Only as a conceptual exercise can we divide our perception up into categories of physical, emotional, spiritual, mental, or whatever. We're integrated circuits that function as one unit. By compartmentalizing the human being, you dismember it and render it useless.
Surround